Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you the hair care routine. So this hair care routine is specifically meant for your weekends जब आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा time होता है and you want to take care of your hair. So you can say it's a kind of hair spa routine, and I'm going to tell you the steps that I follow and which is followed in hair spa. So this is my hair, this is how my hair looks before I've done anything on it. And let's start with step number 1, which is applying a hair oil. So I am going to apply a combination of onion hair oil and the castor oil. So मैं वो इसलिए अप्लाई कर रही हूँ बिकॉज बोथ ऑफ दीज ऑयल प्रमोट हेयर ग्रोथ और हेयर लॉस कंट्रोल करते हैं, डैंड्रफ फाइट करते हैं, स्कैल्प इन्फेक्शन रिमूव करते हैं. So that is why I am using castor oil and the onion oil together. But you have other options as well. You can use coconut oil, so it suits every hair type, and it also promotes hair growth, moisturizes dry hair breakage, split ends prevent करता है. आप argan oil भी use कर सकते हो if you have lot of frizz in your hair and you want shine and you want softness. You can also use almond oil and olive oil, so it depends totally on you. Now what you have to remember is कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयल नहीं लगाना है, बिकॉज इफ़ यू अप्लाई लॉट ऑफ ऑयल यू विल नीड लॉट ऑफ शैम्पू. सो ऑयल लगाने का सारा पर्पस ख़राब हो जाएगा. सो मेक श्योर यू नॉट अप्लाइंग लॉट ऑफ इट. सो massage generously into your scalp, apply it onto your ends and throughout your length. That's it. Do it for like 10 minutes, slow massage into your hair so that all of that oil is absorbed into your scalp. So oil का absorption बढ़ाने के लिए, in order to increase the absorption of the oil, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to use a steamer. What you can do is you can also use a towel which is dipped in hot water और उसे आप wrap around कर सकते हैं. But I kind of like steamer for this process. So मैं अपने hair को steam करने वाली हूँ so that all of that oil is absorbed. So बहुत prolonged period के लिए नहीं करना है. You have to do it like for 1 minute or 1 minute 30 seconds around, and then you can stop. And then we will move on to our next step, which is applying a hair mask. This is a tea tree hair mask which contains tea tree, argan and lemon oil. It also includes other oil like coconut oil. And this particular hair mask reduces dandruff, it controls oil, it reduces itching and it moisturizes the scalp क्योंकि इसके अंदर coconut oil और tea tree oil present है. Tea tree oil is anti-fungal and antibacterial, इसलिए वो itching reduce कर रहा है, irritation reduce कर रहा है, and ये particular hair mask आपके hair को nourish करता है and it also prevents hair fall. तो इसके अंदर बहुत सारी properties हैं. So what you have to do is after you have washed your hair, मतलब oil निकाल लिया है, shampoo कर लिया है, you have to mid part your hair and then you have to apply this hair mask in your hair. So just take it, a generous amount of it, and apply it throughout your ends into your scalp, and then you have to keep it for like 15 to 20 minutes. Now इस process के बाद भी मैं अपने hair को a little bit steam provide करती हूँ, and this time I'm using my towel. So I dip my towel in hot water, मैं wrap around कर लेती हूँ ताकि इसकी सारी properties मेरे हेयर में absorb हो जाए. नाउ ऑल्सो गाइज एज यू नो हमें MamaEarth से 20% ऑफ मिलता है, डिस्काउंट मिलता है by using simply 20 coupon code. So use this coupon code on MamaEarth's website and you can avail 20% off on any product that you buy. So that's an amazing offer, and if you are going to buy the product, please avail it. And that's it. And now you can wash your hair with normal water. So I've washed my hair guys, and this is how my hair looks. So I'm feeling really light and my hair looks pretty smooth as you can see, and I've air dried them, so I've not used any kind of heat appliance, no straightener or nothing, and this is like how my hair looks. So obviously अगर मैं straighten up कर दूँगी, they will look more shiny, they will gleam and they will be super shiny. So that would be a win-win situation for me. And yes, so this hair care routine was pretty great and it was relaxing, and you should do it at least twice a month. And I'm going to link all the products that I've used in the description box below. And talking about the MamaEarth product specifically, it's a tea tree hair mask as I talked about it, and I've used a lot of products from MamaEarth, and this one is of ₹599. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay blessed and stay happy. And before that guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you love watching me, found this video great, informative, wonderful, everything. And yes, yeah, we'll see you